Rashid Alvi criticized Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma for alleging a Pakistan ISI link against Congress Member of Parliament Gaurav Gogoi's wife, demanding proof and questioning the absence of an FIR. I don't know which Pakistan national name he is taking, but where did this information come from? What proof does he have? If he had evidence, why hasn't an FIR been filed? Alvi told ANI. He condemned the remarks, stating politics should not stoop so low. Defaming opposition leaders and their families in the media is inappropriate and unfortunate. Manipur's titular king and Rajya Sabha Member of Parliament Leishamba Sanajauba met Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla at Raj Bhavan today to discuss the state's prevailing situation under President's rule. This was their first meeting since the Assembly suspension on February 13. On February 11, during 0 hour in Parliament, Sanajauba urged the government to ensure proper implementation of the 1949 Manipur Merger Agreement. He emphasized Article 8, calling it crucial for Manipur's socio-economic, cultural and political upliftment, and urged the government to address the long-standing concern. Actor Vicky Kaushal and Rashmika Mandanna starrer Chava is dominating the box office, emerging as the biggest opener of the year 2025. The film, based on Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj, saw massive growth over the weekend, especially in Maharashtra. After earning Rs 37 crore on Saturday, it surged to 48.5 crore on Sunday, crossing the 100 crore mark. The film has also set a record for the highest single-day collection in Maharashtra, surpassing Pushpa 2. Early trends suggest strong stability today, with Chava already collecting 6.76 crore by 4 p.m. The total collection now stands at 123.26 crore according to Snackdeal. Hamas is reportedly prepared to transfer control of the Gaza Strip to the Palestinian Authority, sources told Sky News Arabia. According to the report, Hamas stated that its government employees would either be absorbed into the new administration or retired with guaranteed salaries. The decision allegedly follows strong Egyptian pressure on Hamas officials during their visit to Cairo. After a shaky start, India will look to continue the resurgence when they face Olympic silver medalist Germany tomorrow in the FIH Pro League. The hosts rebounded from a loss to Spain with a solid 2-0 victory thanks to goals from Mandeep Singh and Dilpreet Singh. With 3 points from 2 matches, India sits 8th in the standings and hopes to climb higher. Despite dominating their last game, India's penalty corner conversion remains a concern. With captain Harmanpreet Singh rested, Jugraj Singh struggled in set pieces, an area they must improve against Germany.